All right, we can also, because moles are the unit that we use in chemistry, we may have to also convert atoms to moles. So 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules, or units, or whatever. So two different conversions that I can use are, in 1 mole, we have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, or 6.02 times 23rd atoms equal 1 mole. Okay, so looking at the homework, remember that we start with our given. Number 1, I want to find the number of atoms of phosphorus in 3.44 moles of phosphorus. So I have my given that I start with, the 3.44, and then my conversion. I want atoms, so atoms is going to go on top, 1 mole underneath. Moles will cancel, and I'll be given atoms. If I want to convert to moles, this time I take my given 12.04 e to the 23rd atoms. This time I want atoms to cancel, so atoms goes on the bottom. In 1 mole of anything, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And atoms will cancel. Remember that atoms and molecules can be used interchangeably. So in this one, if I'm converting to moles, I want my given, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. I want moles, and my conversion, in 1 mole, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Converting back the other way, if I want molecules, like in number 14, I have my given 2.0 moles of CO2. And this time I want moles to cancel, so in 1 mole of CO2, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Moles this time cancels, and I'm left with molecules. Up here, I would be left with moles.